Welcome to our tutorial on how to import vendors into Docyt. To access the Docyt modules, simply log into your Docyt account and click on the name of your business from the dashboard. After logging into your Docyt account, navigate to the top bar menu and click on the Expense Management tab. From there, select Vendors and then My Vendors to access the desired modules. Click on the blue button labeled Add/Import Vendors located in the upper right corner. Next, select Import Vendors from QuickBooks. Select the vendors you want to import using the checkboxes on the left. Once you have made your selections, click on the Continue button to begin importing the vendors. Docyt will suggest matching QuickBooks vendors to existing Docyt vendors whenever possible. Match the QBO vendor to the corresponding Docyt vendor. The imported vendors will now be accessible for bill pay. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.